Hey guys! Today we're talking about vitamin D and why so many people are suddenly deficient. First off, our bodies need about 1200 IU of vitamin D daily. The best sources: cod liver oil, fatty fish, butter, cheese, cream, and raw milk. Most of us, however, get our vitamin D from the sun. UV light converts cholesterol on our skin into vitamin D through a process involving the liver and kidneys. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, preventing conditions like rickets in kids. It also supports our immune system. Interestingly, vitamin D acts more like a hormone than a vitamin. So, why is everyone deficient? Several reasons. We're spending less time in the sun, we're using sunscreen more, and many of us follow low-cholesterol diets. Plus, stress and lack of sleep also play a huge role by increasing cortisol levels, which block vitamin D absorption. A lot of people are prescribed synthetic vitamin D, but natural forms are better. Also, without bile, our bodies can't absorb vitamin D effectively. And let's not forget about vitamin D toxicity. Too much vitamin D can lead to high calcium levels, causing issues like kidney stones and muscle weakness. So, balance is key. Vitamin D and vitamin F work together. Vitamin D brings calcium into your blood, while vitamin F helps it get into your tissues. Foods rich in vitamin F include safflower oil, flax oil, walnut oil, sunflower oil, pumpkin seeds, fatty fish, and butter. In summary, get your vitamin D from both the sun and food, but balance it with vitamin F, and always consider your overall diet and stress levels. Stay healthy and take care.